This is the Alpha Burley Pro from Lacrosse, the original rubber over neoprene hunting boot, available with and without Thinsulate Ultra insulation. They've been trusted by sportsmen and women for durable scent-free protection and comfort for over a decade. The Alpha Burley Pro is formed of premium natural rubber, hand-laid over 3.5 millimeters of insulating neoprene. That makes it flexible, waterproof, scent-free, and overall really comfortable and durable. What it won't do is crack in the cold or get soft in the heat. What it will do, make you wonder if you're worthy of such a boot. We've added 3 layers of rubber in the toe and the heel. That's more durability for 2 of the most high-stressed areas of a hunting boot. Because the top of your boot is constantly flexing when you walk, for more durability, we've added 2 layers of premium rubber to the top of its flexible neoprene. Our Active Fit design features a more athletic and glove-like feel in a boot. Its neoprene core adds foot-hug and cushion all around, as well as added flexibility to slide the boot on and off more easily. The Alpha Burley Pro uses 2 different outsoles, while the insulated boot's tread is designed for colder weather to provide stable footing specific to ice and snow. Both designs provide excellent traction and are self-cleaning, so you can take on the outdoors without taking pounds of it with you. On top of our naturally insulated neoprene, the insulated Alpha Burley Pro has a layer of Thinsulate Ultra insulation around the foot for added warmth without the bulk. This moisture-wicking, quick-drying embossed neoprene liner creates better air circulation to regulate the temperature inside the boot. That way your feet never get too hot and sweaty or too cold and stiff. Our signature gusset brings best-in-class versatility with a flip of a clip. Feeling too warm? Loosen the gusset and roll the boot down. Have smaller calves? Cinch it tighter for a more secure fit. Larger calves or tucking in pants? Loosen and clip it. That's the Alpha Burley Pro, available in both men's and women's styles. In the Alpha Burley Pro, you can tread lightly.
Heel to toe for a better fit and a better hunt. It starts with our exclusive ExoFlex fit system. For a snug fit that's easy on and off. The ExoFlex panel expands to accommodate the back of your foot. And once you're in, it snaps back into place, wrapping around your foot for the perfect fit. But we didn't stop there. Rutmaster 2.0 also features a new RPM rubber composite deep lug sole for the ultimate in traction and lightweight durability. A polyurethane footbed that stays comfortable hunt after hunt. And reinforced toe and heel areas that can handle whatever crosses your path. Available with PrimaLoft insulation, scent band odor control, and your choice of Realtree or Mossy Oak camo. New Rutmaster 2.0 from Irish Setting. The best
Sport Pro rubber boot in Venator camo is a great addition to a tradition of quality hunting boots. Built with features like an aggressive multi-directional rubber cup outsole, a vulcanized rubber foot with added protection over key wear areas, and a 5mm neoprene shaft, and you can see why you'll feel like a pro wearing them. Add to this an open cell PU foam footbed with a memory foam topper, an expansion fit calf for a more universal fit, and of course the benefit of scent concealment throughout, and you've got a true sportsman's boot. Hunting is your sport. Take it on like a pro with the new Rocky
Need protection that lives up to your expectations? Our 1530 boot will not be a disappointment. 100% waterproof. This boot, whose lightness is only matched by its comfort, will revolutionize your outdoor outings. providing protection up to minus 70 degrees Celsius. It remains flexible even when the temperature drops to its lowest, whether on an icy surface or in a highly humid location. The 1530, equipped with a self-cleaning traction outsole, will keep you warm and dry. Its EVA molding combined with a Primaloft 200-gram insulated liner make it a unique and highly efficient product. With its antimicrobial material and resistance to oils and animal waste, this boot offers exceptional versatility. Treat yourself with lightness and reimagined waterproof.